I thought they were joke noises.
Which one?
She's Chong right now.
Cooli's like high on something.
Oh! She got herself in a bad spot.
She's seeing animals now.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I traversed right there, Christine.
Yeah. I'm not excited about it, but...
You heard me. So,
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm just expecting you to catch me. That's why I'm trying to get down now.
okay, go ahead.
Do you guys have a VR at home?
Oh, what?
VR?
No. Oh, I wish.
So if you have a VR, yeah, so this one will be like spectacular footage, you know, if you have a VR. Or if you have a, you can also watch it on YouTube, I mean regular phone as well,
Yeah,
but you need to move the phone instead of moving your head.
Gotcha.
I did this step and then this step.
Okay.
Carl just spread eagled it. 1 foot on one side, 1 foot all the way on the other, and traversed it that way.
Made it.